Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by changing the environment and your actions right now. Lower room temperature to a comfortable 16-19 degrees and dim lights 30 to 60 minutes before bed to cue melatonin. Once done, run a focused 15-minute wind down. Jot a short worry list, wash your face, and change into sleep clothes. This signals your brain that sleep is next. Make sure to stop screens 60 minutes before sleep, if unavoidable. Enable night mode and reduce brightness to limit stimulation. Now you slow your nervous system and redirect thoughts. Start with 4-7-8 breathing. Inhale 4, hold 7, exhale 8 for 2 to 5 minutes to lower heart rate. Once done, rely on a scheduled 10-minute worry window earlier in the evening so intrusive thoughts have a place and time. Then practice progressive muscle relaxation or guided imagery for 10 to 15 minutes. These techniques release physical tension and replace rumination with neutral sensory focus, so sleep becomes easier to enter. To finish, apply the bed rule. If you are awake for more than 20 minutes, get out of bed and do a quiet, non-stimulating activity under dim light until you feel sleepy. Return to bed only when sleepy. This strengthens the bed-sleep connection and avoids conditioning anxiety. Make sure the bed is for sleep and sex only. If problems persist, troubleshoot by cutting caffeine after 2 p.m. and consider cognitive behavioral therapy for insomnia or a trained therapist to address chronic sleep anxiety.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.